So after the study of external structure of male reproductive organs, we will study about the anatomy of testes. So anatomy, that is internal structure of testes. So first of all we will study about the longitudinal section of testes, that is LS of testes. So if testes, this is the testes, if it is cut longitudinally, this is called as longitudinal section. So longitudinal section of testes, it is covered by a membrane which is called as testis albuginea. Testis is covered by testis albuginea, and within the testes connective tissue is filled out, which consists approximately 230 chambers. Each testis is made up of 230 chambers or 230 compartments, and each compartments having 2 to 3 tube-like structure, which is called as seminiferous tubule. So each testis consists approximately 230 to 250 compartments, and each compartment having 2 to 3 seminiferous tubule. This is the seminiferous tubule, and all the seminiferous tubules are assembled in the form of network of tube-like structure. It is red testes. All the seminiferous tubules assembled in the form of common duct, which is called as red testes, and red testes is assembled in the form of vasa efferentia, internally it is present with epididymis. This is the disc-like structure. It is epididymis. So this is the longitudinal section of testes. So longitudinally testes, it is covered by a membrane which is called as testis albuginea. Testes is divided into 230 to 250 compartments. It is made up of connective tissue compartments, and each compartment having 2 to 3 highly coiled duct-like structure, which is called as seminiferous tubule. In the seminiferous tubules, sperm is formed. All the seminiferous tubules form the network-like structure, which is called as red testes. Red testes assembled in the form of small narrow duct, which is called as vasa efferentia. So actually vasa efferentia within the epididymis. So epididymis, it is a disc-like structure just laterally posteriorly attached with the testes. When the vasa efferentia emerge out from the epididymis, it is called as vas deferens. जैसे ही वासा एफरेंशिया एपिडिडाइमिस से बाहर निकलेगी तो ये कहलाएगी वास डेफरेंस, फिर वास डेफरेंस ओपन हो जाएगा सेमिनल वेसिकल में. सो दिस इज द एनाटॉमी ऑफ टेस्टिस, दैट इज लॉन्गिट्यूडिनल सेक्शन. नाउ we will study about the transverse section of testes. यदि हम टेस्टिस को इस तरह से ट्रांसवर्सली कट करेंगे, है ना, आड़ा कट करेंगे तो वो बन जाएगा ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन ऑफ टेस्टिस. सो नेक्स्ट एनाटॉमी ऑफ टेस्टिस इज ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन ऑफ टेस्टिस. यदि हमने टेस्टिस को ट्रांसवर्सली कट किया है तो उसमें हमको कैसा स्ट्रक्चर दिखाई देगा. ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन ऑफ टेस्टिस कंसिस्ट नंबर ऑफ ट्यूब्यूल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. इट इज सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल. जो अभी हमको इस तरह से कंपार्टमेंट्स के अंदर इस तरह से दिखाई दे रहे थे, अब हमने इसको ट्रांसवर्सली कट किया तो वो हमको इस तरह से दिखाई देंगे. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सेमिनिफेरस tubule. So number of millions tubule present in each testis. It is made up of two type of cells. Number one is germinal epithelium cells, divided lifelong, that is having divisible property. And second important cells is Sertoli cells. This is the cone-like structure presence in between the germ cell. That is seminiferous tubule is made up of two type of cell. Number one is germ cell, second is Sertoli cell. Germ cell and Sertoli cells. So germ cells divided and form the sperm. So initially it is called as spermatogonia cell. फर्दर हम स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस प्रोसेस पढ़ेंगे तो देखेंगे ये जो जर्म सेल्स है वो इनिशियली क्या है, स्पर्मेटोगोनिया सेल. स्पर्मेटोगोनिया सेल डिवाइड होगा प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट में, सेकेंडरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट में, और फाइनली ये फॉर्म करेगा स्पर्मेटोजोआ और स्पर्म. दैट इज स्पर्म्स. इट इज स्पर्मेटोजोआ और sperm. So function of germ cells is formation of sperm by the meiosis division. तो germ cells में meiosis division होगा तो subsequently वो different stages के through final बनाएगा haploid gamete, that is sperm. ये जो हमारे कोन शेप के सेल्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं जिसको हमने कहा है Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells का फंक्शन है it provide nourishment to the developing sperms. जैसे जैसे sperm डेवलप होंगे उसको nourishment कौन देगा, Sertoli cells. In between the seminiferous tubules connective tissue में specific type of cells हैं. ये है cells of Leydig. Cells of Leydig और interstitial cell. Interstitial cell. ICSH. इंटरस्टिशियल सेल्स ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सेल्स हैं जो कि मेल सेक्स हार्मोन का सिक्रीशन करेंगे, टेस्टोस्टेरोन. सेल्स ऑफ लेडिक्स सिक्रीट मेल हार्मोन टेस्टोस्टेरोन. इट इज द मेल सेक्स हार्मोन. सो दिस इज द ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन ऑफ टेस्टिस. So transverse section of testes indicate the number of seminiferous tubule. Each seminiferous tubule is made up of two type of cells, germ cells and Sertoli cells. Germ cells divided by meiosis division and it forms haploid spermatozoa, and Sertoli cells provide the nourishment to the developing sperm. In between the seminiferous tubule, in connective tissue, a specific type of cells, cells of Leydig or interstitial cells is present, which secretes testosterone hormone. It is the male sex hormone which is helpful for the formation of sperm. That is spermatogenesis process, and as well as it also regulates the secondary sex characters in male person. So puberty stage में जब male person सेक्सुअली मैच्योर होता है उसको हम कहते हैं प्यूबर्टी स्टेज, है ना, जहाँ पर भी स्पर्म्स का फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है, उसका जो वॉइस है वो थोड़ा डीप हो जाता है एंड पेल्विक हेयर्स डेवलप हो जाते हैं. 10th क्लास में पढ़ा होगा प्यूबर्टी स्टेज में क्या क्या चेंजेस आते हैं, और डीपली वॉइस हो जाता है, बियर्ड्स एंड मुस्टैचेस का डेवलपमेंट आने लगता है. तो ये सारे जो चेंजेस होते हैं वो प्यूबर्टी स्टेज में होते हैं जिसको रेगुलेट करता है टेस्टोस्टेरोन हार्मोन. सो दिस इज द एनाटॉमी ऑफ टेस्टिस.